Today we'll talk about what makes digital transformation succeed or die halfway. Let me guess. Your organization has more data than ever, dashboards everywhere, KPIs glowing in neon colors, and somehow decisions still feel slow, emotional, or even political. That's the paradox of digital leadership today. We don't suffer from lack of data, we suffer from too much noise and too little practical reasoning. So today, let's talk about why digital transformation does not fail because of technology, but because leadership forgets how to decide. Here's a pattern I see again and again. A company invests millions in digital tools, BI platforms, AI pilots, predictive models. And then what? Leaders still make decisions the same old way. Gut feeling, hierarchy, who speaks loudest in the meeting. Data becomes decoration, a PowerPoint accessory. Technology did not change the decision. It just made the confusion look more sophisticated. Let me give you one insight. I often hear leaders proudly stating, "We are fully data driven." Great, I usually respond, and then ask one simple question: which decisions are not allowed without data? Usually silence follows, because having dashboards for everything, but yet arguing on whether data actually matters, is a problem. And in the end, it's not a digital maturity problem, it's data literacy and decision discipline. Strong digital leaders don't chase more data. They design better decision rules and models. They ask things like, what decisions are we trying to improve? What data actually helps? And what just distracts us? When do we trust insight? And when do we trust experience? They create simple rituals, clear thresholds, explicit assumptions. And suddenly, data becomes a tool for clarity, not a weapon in endless debates. Here's the uncomfortable truth: data doesn't remove bias, it exposes it. If leaders are afraid to be wrong, data becomes selective. If leaders are fear of losing authority, data gets ignored. Digital leadership isn't about dashboards, it's about psychological safety, curiosity, and humility. So, what now? Ask yourself, do you use data to learn or to defend positions? Do you reward better questions or just faster answers? Because digital transformation doesn't die from lack of technology, it dies when leadership discards data and refuses to change how it thinks. If this resonated, like, subscribe, and join me on the Leadership Tribe newsletter on LinkedIn, where we go deeper into leadership that actually works in the digital age. I invite you to reflect on your leadership and your team performance by taking a short assessment provided in the link below. I'm Dr. Blaž Florjanic. See you in the next deep dive.